Today we are making sea bars. Follow step by step as we pull you through.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. Those advice, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. Those advice, but nevertheless,
That was
I get lost when I look in your eyes.
Did it taste?
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. Those advice, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. Those advice, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to
Với chiếc bánh lên lưng cái cả tùy không rơi là sao
All this time
Coriander, 1 teaspoon of coriander,
I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I did
1 teaspoon of oregano,
was easy to use. So call my time,
1 teaspoon of
don't really mind,
ginger,
just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but
black pepper,
nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your eyes.
1 teaspoon of
Look in your
liquid maggi,
eyes.
little bit salt, water to taste. Stir it, allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. This is my sea bass.
I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time.
See how fresh.
You weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self.
Yeah, I'm using just fish seasoning.
Surprise, but nevertheless.
about 2 tablespoons of seasoning. Little bit thyme, and about a pinch of salt to taste. And I will leave it to marinate for about 10-15 minutes. Cover it up. Now our sea bass is going to the air fryer for 25 minutes and bake for air fry for 180 degree fish. 25 minutes, 180, kick off. Right now my fish has cooked for about 24-25 minutes, so I'm gonna check it now and then see how it's going, how it's doing. Wow. I'm gonna be flipping the fish so the other side can cook properly as well. Now I'll flip the fish, the sea bass, for the air frying for 20 minutes. So now I'm gonna cook it for the last 20 minutes. Keep watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share with family and friends. Thanks so much for watching or following me to make this dinner for this weekend. Thank you. Yo, our sea bass is ready. Our sea bass is ready. The final touch, a little bit of lemon. Yeah. You meet the babazo in the castle here. Our dinner is ready. Guys, join me